Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! In this grammar video, we will look at how to save telephone numbers. For example, my number is this, my number is that. Is it going to be useful to be able to say your phone number? Yeah, of course, because you want to sometimes give your numbers away, right? You might make Chinese friends and you might work in China and you have to give your clients a Chinese phone number, etc. So in these situations, we need to know how to say phone numbers properly in Chinese. It's actually pretty simple. Let's take a look. Turn your textbook to page 100 and let's take a look at grammar point number 3. In Chinese, we simply say the phone numbers digit by digit like this. So 806-9478 will be 806-9478. 806-9478. You don't have to say dashes. You don't have to say. You don't have to group them in chunks. You just say one digit at a time. Maybe you can pause. You can add a pause after 806. 806-9478. To make it a little bit easier for the other person to jot down a process. You can kind of group numbers together. My number is 138-5189-7623. It will be just one digit at a time. 我电话号码是138-5189-7623 138-5189-7623. See how I group them together, like where the dashes indicate? I just add a pause after the dash. For example, my number is 806-9478. 我的电话是806-9478. To ask for people's number, you ask, 你的电话是多少? 电话 means telephone, but really here it's expressing phone number, right? 你的电话是多少 means what is your phone number? We use the question word 多少 here because we're asking for a number, right? 多少 is asking like how many or how much. So even though it's just a phone number, you still use the word 多少 to ask for it. 你的电话是多少? What's your telephone number? My number is 138-5189-7623. 我的电话是138-5189-7623. In mainland China, we substitute 一 with 幺 instead. Right? This is for distinguishing the number 1 and number 7 over the phone. You know how over the phone, things are a little bit blurry? So in order to distinguish 一 and 七, we replace 一 with 幺, just so that it's a little bit more clear. 我的电话是138-5189-7623 138-5189-7623
John, 你电话是多少？
我电话是604-442-4421。
好，
接到了。
好，谢谢。
My number is 8230-4156. Would be 我的电话号码是8230-4156 or 4156 in Taiwan. Now let's see if you can say these phone numbers. The first one on the top left. 806-9478. Very good. The one to the right. 250-513-4456. Good. One to the bottom left. 138-0156-7749. Very good. Sometimes Chinese people like to group numbers in threes and then say the last 5 digits in one breath. They'll say 138-015-67749. But I personally prefer just grouping 4 digits at a time. 138-0156-7749. I think it just sounds nice. And the final number, the 010 number. How do you say it? 010-6544-5888. We Chinese people like number 8s because the word for number 8, 八, sounds like the word for getting rich, which is 发. 发. 八 and 发 sounds alike. So if you go and get a cell phone number in China, you'll see that in the store they have like top 8 most popular phone numbers for you to pick from, and these will cost you thousands of renminbis, if not tens of thousands. So these are very popular numbers. 八, 5888, very popular number. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.